I'm being surprised with my wife, and we're going to where?
Saratoga Springs.
Saratoga Springs. We're driving our Tesla Model 3, her Tesla Model 3. And who's driving first?
I'm driving.
I'm driving.
No, me.
Me.
I'm driving. You relax. You
okay, I get to relax.
Okay.
Today's episode coming up. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Herve from HERVEs WORLD, showing you that IT means I try. If you're new to the channel,
please subscribe.
Everything on the bottom. So we're going to Saratoga Springs?
Yes.
In the winter?
Yeah, we're gonna relax.
We're gonna go relax in our Tesla Model 3. We're going on our third road trip? Fourth road trip? Fifth?
No, second.
Maybe.
I think it's second.
No, it's the third.
Okay, anyways.
Okay, well, anything we discuss, you'll find right on the bottom over here. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We will document our process. First time we went, we were scared?
Yeah, range anxiety, but I don't have that.
Range anxiety, she's good now.
He still has range anxiety.
Good.
I don't.
Really?
Yeah, I don't. Let's go.
Okay, we're on.
Bye.
Peace. On the way, you're coming with us. Road trip. Woohoo! Okay, so we are going to Saratoga, New York. We have 191 miles, about 190 miles, 3 hours and 11 minutes. And Anna's driving. Oh my God.
Yes, August, they're safe and sound. Don't worry.
All right. Catch you guys at the next supercharger.
Try to get there because it's only 181 miles.
So we won't catch you at the next supercharger.
No.
So if we go there and how are we gonna come back?
We'll supercharge on the way to our next destination.
Oh, see, she's an expert now. So I want you guys to watch the very first video of Anna driving, and then look at the attitude then, which I'll put a clip right over here, and look at the attitude now.
I'm a pro.
She's a pro. Hey, you don't say you're my wife. You don't say you're a pro. You know what a pro means, right? All right, catch you guys in a minute. Should be fun. I have no idea where she's taking me.
Yeah, let's see. We gotta get there.
It's a surprise, apparently. And we may hit Montreal if we get close. I know it's cold, so I want to test out some heated gear from Vault Heat. We have the Outfitter jacket. We have the men's and ladies Radiant jacket, and we shall see. It looks like it's snowing over here. Right now, it's 52 degrees in Jersey City, New Jersey.
Very warm.
Very, very, very warm. I have a sweater on and long johns under. Very bad idea. All right, catch you guys in a minute. We'll update you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to put some links in the description. If you're looking for a Tesla Model S, a Y, coming soon, 3, or a Model S, and we'll put some links to our description right here. Not sure exactly what the price is going to be, but the last one was free supercharging for 6 months. You'll definitely be helping the channel, and you'll get a great car. So ever since we got this car, we've been going on a lot of road trips.
Yeah, a few.
Yeah, a few. All right, catch you guys in a minute. Okay, so now we are in Malden Service Area, Segurities, New York. Sorry if I butchered that. We are 74 miles from our destination. It's about an hour and 15 minutes, and we're back on the road.
Yeah.
All right. Catch you guys in a minute. Okay, our next stop is Cologne, New York. So when you're going from New York and you're going to Montreal, Cologne. You see this one right here? Cologne. So when you're going from New Jersey to New York to Montreal, there's a long way you're going, and then there's a turn around 24, exit 24, and once you're there, it's just going straight, and then you are close to Montreal. So right now we are in Cologne. Yeah, look at this one.
We're in Albany.
We're not in Albany. This is Cologne. Okay, let me ask you guys.
We're right. We're close.
Do you see?
We're close to Albany. We're in the Albany center.
This right here, that says Cologne. And We are here for a little bit. We're going to Cheesecake Factory, and where we're going doesn't have supercharging, so we're taking this opportunity to supercharge. And I gotta tell you guys, I took the car earlier to get an update, and the update we have is 48.1, and it has some enhanced stuff in here. So if you take a look, there is a couple other things in here, but I gotta tell you guys that the navigate on autopilot is really solid. It doesn't drift like it used to. It's secure, so we have ours on Mad Max, so it's a more aggressive, but friendly, but more aggressive. So the speed that you tell it to go, if there's a car behind you hindering you from that particular speed, it will suggest lane changes to match. But it's really solid, really solid. So if you guys are on the fence for autopilot, it's getting better and better and better from the trip that we did last time. What do you think? A little better before, it was swerving a little bit, and now it's solid.
I can't tell so much.
She can't tell so much. She likes to drive. She's still on the fence.
I didn't try it. So.
Okay, she didn't get to try it, but navigate on autopilot, really good. So if you guys are on the fence, definitely while you're doing your trial, give it a go. It's really, really good. It's a good offering. And now I'm gonna go feed this beautiful lady, and
Hungry.
okay. And then we're gonna go and relax and go on a trip. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Peace. From Colony,
Albany.
Colony,
Albany.
Colony, New York. Colony. Catch you guys in a minute. Okay, so we are at the supercharger in Colony, and we just went and took a look at the amenities over here. And we have the Cheesecake Factory, which is pretty good staff and everything. Now, the supercharger here was charging our car at 405 miles per hour, and it's actually really quick. How long were we here? 20 minutes? 25? About half an hour. It went from 77 miles to 205 miles. So that's pretty good. And we're gonna keep going in our way, and we'll check it out. Saratoga. That's where we're going. Okay. Okay, let me show you where we're staying. So this is really nice hotel, and really nice, really eclectic. All right, let's hope Anna's not sleeping, and don't mind the mess. Hey, baby. Okay, so here is our messy bedroom. Here is the view. Okay, let me show you the bathroom. So it has heated floors. It has a stand rain bath. Really cool. His and her, or should I say Jack and Jill sinks. It has, my wife said, a bidet. Do you bidet? And it has a lovely tub right here. So what the concierge suggested that we do is just heat the floor to the max so that when you come in the bathroom in the middle of the night, it's nice and toasty, but it's really a lovely, lovely hotel. Very, very good pressure. This town is awesome. Saratoga, if you ever stay in this hotel, check it out. A lot of good amenities. It's eclectic. It's a beautiful town, and the people are really, really nice. But not too many chargers here for Tesla. So you'd want to go and charge at Colony. No response. Colony, New York, which has some mini mall, and you get the charge. It's about 50 miles from here. And then we're going to proceed from here and try to go to Montreal. But everything's good. We brought us breakfast. Lovely wife. And we should be out of here in a couple minutes. Catch you guys at the next supercharger.